Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Tadala Drops Bottle Liquid. But before we get into that, I get hundreds of requests to check out products daily, and my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So link below in the description for you guys to check out, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it here open up on their website, guys. So this is what they look like. So it's a natural male enhancement supplement designed to support stamina, boost libido, and improve overall performance. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically just a drop that's supposed to help you with your performance in bed. So I'm just gonna not go into the details about it, however you know what I mean. And as you can see, this is what their website looks like, which is not a very well made website. And as you can see, this picture is very clearly AI generated, like these pictures here. And you can't even leave your own review. And they have reviews here, but you can very easily put this in if you were the creator of this website. And if you actually go ahead and search it, it doesn't show up anywhere else. So there are not a lot of information about it. So I advise you to not buy this product since it is related to your performance in bed and maybe your genitals or your private parts. And this could very well negatively impact your health. So please guys, do some more research if you really want to buy this, or just buy products that are trusted and safe and FDA approved. And that is basically it. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.